back for yet another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. To all my subscribers, I just want to tell you guys freaking well. And yes, your videos are coming out and I'm so excited about it. So yes, let's get into this video. You guys wanted me to do a new reaction. And this reaction is by QUAN the Destructor. That sounds really interesting and crazy, which means it's gonna be cool and awesome. So the person who requested this is, let me see, text me, I'll reply. So let's get into this and see what you have for me, okay? And I hope you guys are having a great day. So let's, here goes nothing. First of all, I can see some booty. Oh honey. Okay. QUAN the Destructor, she's dancing.
She dancing like she fucking shot up to
Okay. That's what I'm feeling. Oh, that's not how you dance, honey. This is how you dance. That's what she does. That's what she do. That's how you dance this dance. Like you don't know what's going on, you're like, what? She's like, this is what you do, honey. That's how you dance, guys. This way. That's what you do for this. But now that's how you dance to such music or react to it. That way works. What was that? She was like, hey. Well, anyway, I love the music because it's made me move my body and shake my body and walk the body and walk the middle and walk all of that. So, okay guys, I love you guys so much, and yes, your requests are so cool. They're all interesting, they have fun side to them, and I really like that. Not music that I'm like, oh my god, you know, but this, I really like all your requests you guys have been sending to me, and I really do appreciate it. I really love you guys. If you guys don't know, like I really do, and I'm so grateful to you guys that you guys have no idea. Like, anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. And yes, from Salvies, I'm feeling that mist everywhere. From Salvies and DANCIN Studios, I just want to say I'm so humbled by you guys, and I'm so grateful to you guys. And yes, until next time, we'll just keep pushing this video so you guys, so that way someday we'll, you know, we'll be working together and having fun together. So until next time, love you guys.